guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to say this is going to be my last video, as this weekend, November, let's say 15th or 16th, I can't remember what date Sunday is, but as of Sunday, there will be no more videos put on SwS Crash, and after Sunday, you won't be able to find any SwS Crash videos, because I'm deleting my YouTube channel, taking all my videos down, deleting my SwS Crash Facebook page, deleting my Twitter, and quitting everything. Because for one, I'm not getting nowhere with it. 2, I'm not getting anything out of it. I've been doing it for almost 6 years now, and ain't nothing happening from it. And with some other complications that I'm running into, I'm not in the story. So this weekend, November 15th or 16th, or the 18th, or whatever the hell it is, I will be done. End of story. Period. Thanks for the time that you have watched and supported me. Other than that, thanks and bye.